Independently, Aimun and Emily are two of our favorite people in the entire world. We didn't think it could get better until they joined forces.
I stand here today, my heart filled with overwhelming joy and pride, watching Aimun grow from a little boy into man he is today. It's been one of the greatest blessings of our lives.
All Emily's life, she was organized and determined. And it's been just really fun watching, this woman grow up to be such a caring, kind, and thoughtful person. So I really am proud to be your father, Emily.
Aimun, thank you so much for loving my sister so completely and so well. I'm lucky to have grown up with her, and I'm so glad you're the person to grow old with her.
Emily, from the moment we met you, we knew you were special. I could see the love and joy you bring to Aimun, and it's clear that you two are meant for each other.
Emily, you hit the jackpot with Aimun. You did great. Emily hit the jackpot. Aimun won the, Mega Million lottery. So he really did well.
The respect and adoration that I see between these two is so genuine. And Emily, I'm so happy and excited to be able to call you my sister-in-law. And I'm so grateful that Aimun has found you. We are all gathered together for the same purpose, to celebrate the love and commitment Emily and Aimun share.
Aimun, I promise to celebrate you, support you, and be your best friend always.
Emily, I promise to build a home together, full of curiosity, faith, and fun.
I promise to be a better version of myself every day for you, and to prioritize our family, listen first, and be present together during our lifelong journey.
I promise to forgive you for your mistakes, be patient, and be by your side during all of life's adventures and challenges.
I promise to embrace the fun in every moment with gratitude and energy for each other.
So, with these public promises, official vows, and the exchanging of wedding bands, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride.
Today, Aimun, as I look at you standing beside Emily, I see only a wonderful son I've always known, but also a loving partner ready to embark on this new journey.
I just like to say what a blessing it is. Linda and I just really love watching you guys grow and your relationship grow, and we feel really blessed.
Here's to an incredible life together. Many more years of making each other happy, making each other better, and of course, beating the rest of our family in board games. Emily and Aimun, we love you both very much. Congratulations, and let's raise a toast to the miracle of Emily and Aimun.